Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace your cabin air filters. I'm using a pack of 2 of the HENGST filters from Rockauto. As you know, these new Mercedes-Benzes, everything, all the parts are very expensive from the dealers and even from third-party vendors, but these filters are not too bad. A little on the thin side, but than the Mercedes-Benz ones. Next time I'll try the main filters just to see how they are, but if you replace them periodically, they should be just fine. So you'll start by taking 3 of the, I believe these are T20 or T25 Torx screws that you'll have to take them out. And this is in the passenger footwell. Of course, there's the right in the center the light for the footwell that don't pull it out all the way, and I'll show that in a second. There's a cable that needs to be disconnected first. And here's the cable. It has a little tab that you'll have to press while you're pulling. So pull it towards you. There are 3 places where it connects to the bottom of the dashboard, and when you put it back together, you'll have to pay attention that those tabs are inserted into their places, into their slots properly. But as you remove it, you just pull it and it will come out. So here are the tabs. This is one that goes on the left, and then the center one, and one on the right, which is right there. So this is the filter housing. The white tabs just move to the left and right. Now, in some cases, there may be a screw there in the bottom of that cover, so look for it if it doesn't come out. And pay attention to the orientation of the filters as you pull them out. The 2 openings that you see on one side, they're sort of larger on 2 ends. That is the side that should face you. And there's a slot you may have to, it's kind of hard, pay attention to this arrow. And the arrow faces your foot if you were sitting there. There's a slot, so you'd have to put your hand behind it, kind of push it all the way towards you, and then it will go into the slot very easily. And also pay attention to where those tabs go that they're fully inserted, and then press it up. So the installation is just the reverse of removal. And this is where you need to pay attention to make sure that you press it up as you push it in, so that the tabs are fully engaged into their respective slots. And after that, you just reconnect the cable to the bulb, to the light, and bolt the 3 screws, and that's it. Or screw in the 3 bolts, and that's it. I hope you find this video of use, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.